Hello guys and girls, welcome to next video on creating single page theme using Bootstrap 4. So in last video we have finished creating our about section, and in this video we will work on our mission and vision section, and this section will also be fairly easy to do. So let's get started. Let's get started with our HTML markup and we'll style it accordingly. I am creating a section with some IDs and class so that I can manipulate it later. I am creating another div here so that we can style it later. My idea is that I want to keep images and background and to make that text readable, just like we did in our slider section. We will give some transparent style to this vision BG section. So that's the idea behind creating that div. Let's see the results so far. It looks good. And this is the lead section. The slightly different text you are seeing here in the first paragraph is due to class of lead. Okay, it's time to style our about section, so let's get started with that. I will start the styling by adding an image to our background so that we have a nice effect in there, something different from what we have done in previous section. Let's not repeat the background image. Let's give background position of 100% and 100%. This will place the image at bottom right corner. I want to give background size of cover for the background image so that it will cover the whole area. To create a kind of parallax effect, I want to give an background attachment of fix, so this will kind of create a parallax effect. It's not actually a parallax effect, but it will kind of work for now. I think I will do the actual parallax effect later on. Okay guys, now it's time to adjust our margin, padding and all those small stuff here, and you can notice that the text is actually not that readable, so I also want to change color and add some background to that image so that the text becomes actually readable. Regarding the color of the background, I think I will settle with some kind of dark green color with some transparency, alpha transparency, so I will use RGB color scheme, and I will change text color to white. Okay, let's see the result, and let's also play around with that alpha transparency level and find our sweet spot so that the text is actually readable and background image is also visible. Okay, after playing around with a couple of numbers, as you can see, I think I will use transparency level of 0.6 and it looks good. I think that's all for this video. So in next video we'll work on next section. Okay, bye bye now from this video. I'll see you later, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you very much and have a nice day.